Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix LG washing machine error code U5. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, what does this error 5 or the U5 error mean? So when you see the U5 error code in your LG washing machine, it's letting you know that there's an issue with the vibration sensor. So this error means that your washer is vibrating excessively, which can cause it to stop working altogether. Essentially, it's a safety feature to prevent damages to the machine. So the most common causes of this error is first is unlevel floor or washer, overfilled washer, shipping bolts, or damaged vibration sensor. In this case, how do you fix this? Well, in this case, there are a few things that you could do to probably fix this issue. So one of them is to make sure to level the floor and washer. Now, look at the legs of your washer, make sure they're adjusted properly, and you can twist them to raise or lower machines as needed. Now, if the floor is uneven, you might want to use some leveling pads here under the washer. If it's a big issue, consider contacting a professional to level the actual floor. Next is you want to properly load clothes here. So make sure you're not putting too many clothes in at once. Follow the washer guidelines for load size. Also, try to arrange the clothes so that they're actually balanced. For example, if you have a heavy blanket, pair it with some towels to even out the weight. Also, you might want to remove the shipping bolts. Look at the back of or bottom of the washer. If you see any shipping bolts, you'll need to remove them. This is usually, in this case, a simple task here, just unscrew them. Next is you want to inspect the vibration sensor. Now, if you suspect the vibration sensor might be faulty, it's best to contact a professional. They can properly diagnose and repair it. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.